Welcome to Terracotta Planet, where creativity meets craftsmanship. In the art of terracotta jewelry making, every design starts with a vision and the right tool to bring it to life. But remember, the tool you choose can either make or break that perfect design. It all begins with shaping. A well crafted tool allows you for precision and control, helping you create the perfect foundation for your design. Detailing is where the creativity flourishes, but without the right tool, even the most intricate patterns can fall flat, losing the charm and depth you envisioned. Choosing a wrong tool can lead to uneven lines, rough edges, and a design that doesn't quite capture your original idea. Finishing touches are critical. A soft brush can make the difference. Helping tools like pliers, cutters also plays a vital role in maintaining the perfection. Each tool gives a different finish and it's critical to experiment and choose the right tool that matches your vision. Color and light to your jewelry, the right brush ensures that every stroke is precise and every hue just as you imagined. So you need to be very cautious when you're choosing the right brush size and the brush type. In the end, it's the tool that defines your creation. They can bring out the best in your design or leave it wanting. Tools need not be always a store-bought tool. You can always use the tools whichever is available in home, but make sure it is perfect and that brings your envisioned creativity in the clay. In terracotta jewelry making, tool will make or break your perfect design. Choose wisely and let your creativity shine. I hope you like this video and the small talk. If you find this useful and wish to see more videos like this, please do like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you. See you next Saturday.